Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Sebelum belajar, marilah kita berdoa. Berdoa dimulai. Berdoa selesai. Ada yang nggak masuk nggak? Atau udah hadir semua? Udah hadir semua ya. Sebelumnya, Miss mau memperkenalkan diri. Nama saya Anissa Yudianingrum. Kalian bisa manggil saya Miss Ayu. Nah, sebelum belajar, kita nonton video dulu ya. Ini tentang pembelajaran untuk hari ini.
Design is more interesting and the color out brighter.
Kelihatan nggak?
Besides it, its color is really suitable for you. Do you really think so? I'll buy it. Thanks, Kitty.
Jadi, ada yang tahu nggak hari ini kita mau belajar apa?
Asking and giving opinion.
Iya, benar. Jadi kita hari ini mau belajar asking and giving opinion, atau dalam bahasa Indonesianya kita menanya dan memberi pendapat. Ada yang udah pernah ngasih pendapat atau bertanya pendapat ke temannya, ke saudara gitu? Udah. Nah, di sini ada definisinya opini ya. The definition of opinion. Opinion includes the words of opinion and reasons. And opinion dialogue is a dialogue consists of two or more people. And it can use the expression of opinion, such as I think, in my view, in my opinion, and so on. And then argument dialogue is a dialogue that states the argument or reasons. It can use the words such as a first, second, third, etc. for arranging arguments. Nah, nanti kita bakal ngebahas cara mengungkapkan pertanyaan pendapat dalam situasi formal dan informal. Lalu ada cara memberikan pendapat di situasi formal dan informal. Lalu cara mengungkapkan setuju atau tidak setuju dengan suatu pendapat. Nah, yang pertama di sini ada asking opinion in formal situation. Jadi jika kita berada dalam situasi formal, kayak contohnya di sekolah, di lingkungan kerja, itu kita bisa mengungkapkannya dengan have you got any comments on? Do you have any idea? Do you have any opinion on? Would you give me your opinion on? What is your reaction to? What is your opinion about? What are you feeling about? What are your views on? Please give me your frank opinion. And then di sini ada cara mengungkapkan pertanyaan pendapat di situasi informal. Nah, ini nih kita bisa menggunakannya ketika kita sedang bersama teman-teman. Jadi kita bisa berbicara gini. Menanyakan gini, what do you think of? What do you think about? What is your opinion? Why do they behave like that? Do you think it's going? How do you like? How was the trip? How do you think of Rina's idea? How do you feel about this fiction? Lalu selanjutnya ada cara mengungkapkan memberi pendapat di situasi formal dan informal. Nah, yang pertama di sini cara memberikan pendapat di situasi formal. yaitu I personally believe, I personally consider, I personally think or feel, I hold the opinion, my own view of the matter is, well, personally. And then in this slide, how to express giving opinion in informal situation, we can say, I think I like it, I don't think I care for it, I think it's good, nice, or terrified, I think that awful or terrible, I don't think much of it, I think that, in my opinion, I would rather, in my case, what I'm more concerned with, what I have in my mind is, the way as I see is that, not everyone will agree with me, but to my mind. Ini cara mengungkapkan pendapat secara umumnya. Some people believe that, some people say that, it is considered, almost everyone, most people agree with. Ketika kita mengungkapkan suatu pendapat, pasti ada yang setuju dan tidak setuju. Nah, cara mengungkapkannya itu, yang pertama, yang setuju ya, yang agreeing with an opinion. This is absolutely right. Of course, I agree with this opinion. I couldn't agree more. I agree with what you are saying. I agree. I never thought of it. Neither do I. That's a good point. I think so too. Ketika kita tidak setuju dengan pendapat, kita dapat mengungkapkan not sure I agree with you. I am afraid I have to disagree with you. By this I mean, I do not believe that. I think you are wrong. It is justified to say so. I am not convinced that. That's not the same thing at all. Nah, di sini ada contoh dialog tentang opinion. Ada yang mau buat ini membacakan dialognya? What is your name? Sahara. Sahara and?
Amelia.
Amelia. Okay. Sahara as Mr. Zo. Amel as Chen. Okay.
What do you think of my new house?
I think it is beautiful. Oh, you have many novels in your new house.
Yes, I like Andrea Hirata novel.
How do you feel about Andrea Hinata's novel?
I feel they are great novel.
Yes, you are right. I think it is going to rain.
I don't think so. Look outside at the sky. It's so clear, no cloud here.
But I watched her weather forecast yesterday. It said that today is going to rain. Okay, Mr. Zo, see you.
Okay, thank you. Give applause to Sahara and Amel. Miss mau nanya dong. Jadi kalimat yang mana yang menunjukkan asking opinion? Ada yang bisa jawab?
Saya.
Ya, Amel.
What do you think of my new house?
Okay. And then?
How do you feel about Andrea Hinata's novel?
Udah ya.
And
Nah, yang kedua, kalimat yang mana yang menunjukkan memberikan pendapat? Oke, Sahara.
Yang I think,
Yes,
I feel,
yes.
I think like it, ama I don't think so.
Okay, that's right. I have a video. In this video, jadi nanti Miss minta kalian buat memberikan pendapat tentang video ini ya. Ayo ditonton dulu. Kelihatan nggak videonya?
I tell you about coming back here. Did you hear me, nerd? Watch yourself, Tom. Everyone in this group wants to die. it. Even so early. What's the matter? Is pretty boy sad? Why don't you just go home? Never come back. The school is for people who actually have a brain. We don't need you. You just wasted space.
Oke, tonton ya videonya ya. Sekarang ada yang mau memberikan opini tentang video tadi. What is your name?
My name is Nona.
Oke, Nona.
Saya pribadi percaya bahwa penindasan salah dalam banyak hal karena ini setara dengan serangan fisik.
Oke. Jadi kamu setuju nggak kalau bullying kalau misalnya ada orang yang memberi tindakan bullying, setuju atau tidak? Nggak setuju. Anyone?
Saya
Oke, what is your name?
Febrianti.
Oke, Febri.
Kalau saya berpendapat bahwa tidak baik untuk menindas orang. Penindasan berdampak pada kesehatan mentalnya dan juga orang itu bisa tersakiti dan mudah tersinggung. Di akhir video itu orang yang diintimidasi melakukan bunuh diri.
Ya, benar. Jadi Febri setuju atau tidak?
Tidak.
Sama bullying?
Tidak.
Oh, tidak. Nah, selanjutnya Miss mau ngasih PR ya. Ini individual homework. Yang pertama, buatlah dialog tentang opinion tentang sesuatu. Lalu yang kedua, berikan opini tentang education in the pandemic era. And collect your homework in Google Classroom at 12 p.m. on Friday. And this, in 6 November 2020. Okay. Ada yang mau ditanyain nggak sama materi yang tadi disampaikan? Ada yang belum ngerti nggak?
Jangan sih.
Enggak.
Udah cukup jelas.
Iya,
Oke. Sekarang ada yang mau ngasih kesimpulan untuk materi pembelajaran tadi, oke? Sahara ya? Ya, Sahara.
kesimpulan untuk pembelajaran hari ini itu mempelajari cara bertanya dan memberikan pendapat di situasi formal dan informal, dan cara mengungkapkan setuju atau tidak setuju dengan pendapat seseorang.
Thank you. Give applause to all my students. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.